I found one behan on the show which I think will go forever. But he's a really nice guy and he brings out a really good energy. But I think I can probably survive roadies again, but jungle, oh my god, it's gonna be tough to call me back. Hi, this is Arushi Chawla and you're watching me on IWM Buzz. A lot actually. Coming from a background of reality show, MTV Roadies, it really helped me understand how the game will pan out, not just as a group but individually, and having that experience really came in handy. But honestly telling, it was super difficult. Yes, I've been a part of a show. I didn't win there. Uh, but this was another level. Surviving the jungle, surviving 11 different girls coming from different backgrounds. Oh my god, I think I can probably survive roadies again, but jungle, oh my god, it's gonna be tough to call me back. I think when it comes to survival or adventure, Discovery is the bar. Basically, you make any show, but when it's about discovery, creating a show, it's on another level. And we've all grown up watching Man vs. Wild, so I think there's no comparison. 12 girls being on this platform or that platform doesn't really make any difference for me. I think people will have more fun watching everything. So there's no comparison. People should just gather everything whatever they're getting and enjoy the fun. I wish Varun had helped me more, or वो कि तो पिछले शो की आई है, let's favor her more. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. I think what just helped me was having another person who I knew from and just having that face around helps comfort your stressful mind. But other than that, no notes exchanged or cheat codes exchanged, no, nothing like that. But I was so glad to see him be the host of the show because Varun is a really nice guy and he brings out a really good energy and he made us feel so comfortable and in that jungle environment he made us feel very very nice, safe, secure, and it was always a pleasure to watch him enter towards our tent. So yeah, I'm so glad he was part of the show. I think this show really helped me understand how to be around women because I don't know if people agree with this or not, but I personally feel that being around boys is like, they have, okay, no offense, but drama kam hai, jhanjat kam hai. So being around, and they're always in a playful mood and they're not really, there's no problems as such that comes along. But being around women can be, इसने मुझे ऐसा बोला, इसने मुझे वैसा बोला, ये ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हैं, इसने कपड़े कैसे पहने, stuff like that can be a little strange to me. But it just helped me understand the psychology better, how sensitive, sweet, but sensitive women can be, and just to like handle them with care is what I learned a lot, and that learning I think will go a long way because I feel Behan code is for real. It's for real. I found one Behan on the show which I think will go forever. So that's a great gift that I've got, and other women that I've learned from a lot. So I think that is a great takeaway from the show. For me, I won't say gym freak, but I'm a dancer, professional dancer, and I've seen all sorts of nights when I've had bruises and broken ankles and stuff like that. But on this show, I think all of that skill and experience really came handy. Thankfully, I didn't get hurt a lot, but the amount of hurt I got, I didn't expect that also. So it was difficult. So yeah, I think people will have a lot of fun watching me struggle and conquering that for sure. I think because the show has brought out so much of my strength that there's no other choice but to love me. So if you haven't fallen in love, you'll fall in love right now after watching the episode. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the show. And every Monday and Tuesday at 10 p.m. On Discovery and Discovery Plus. Have a good watch.